Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how DoorDash pays you. DoorDash offers a base pay for each delivery. This base pay can vary depending on factors such as the estimated duration, distance, and desirability of the delivery location. Base pay is usually located using a formula that takes into account these factors. DoorDash frequently offers promotions and bonuses to incentivize Dashers to complete deliveries during peak times or in specific areas. These promotions can include a peak pay, where Dashers earn additional money for delivering during busy periods, or bonuses for completing a certain number of deliveries within a specified time frame. Customers have the option to leave tips for their Dashers when placing orders through the DoorDash app. These tips are an additional source of income for Dashers and can significantly impact their earnings. In most cases, Dashers receive 100% of the tips left by the customers. DoorDash may offer a minimum earnings guarantee for each delivery. If the total earnings for delivery are below the guaranteed amount, DoorDash will make up the difference to ensure that the Dasher earns at least the guaranteed amount. Dashers have the option to cash out their earnings instantly using DoorDash's Instant Pay feature. This allows Dashers to access their earnings immediately after completing a delivery, rather than waiting for the regularly weekly payout. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.